Good morning guys, and welcome back to Project 460, and welcome back also to nasty Florida rainy crappy day. It's been raining past 10 hours. Unfortunately, just because of the rain, the project today we got to do inside of the garage, and what we're doing, you can see by the title, we are installing the multi-terrain select. Now there is my confusion, and maybe some of you guys more educated than me can help me with this. Why this vehicle did not come with the MTS? Yes, the MTS was an option for a lot of models itself. Well, not models, but a lot of vehicles itself. But there is a thing. If you have a crow control, 98.99% it's that you're gonna have factory installed multi-terrain select, because the crow control, it's the one who is, I don't know, more complicated, more expensive or whatever. So usually the other one would come with, if you have this by the factory, which mine didn't. This was a fully loaded car, and plus has many other options than a lot of GX don't have, like front camera, side camera, the fridge in a handrest, the 120-400 inverter, a front roll side curtain, airbags, I don't know, all kinds of crap. And people say, somebody actually, one of my subscribers suggested that this is Canadian model, which would make sense because they did spec GX a little bit better for a Canada market than US market. But then this is my confusion again. If this is a Canadian car, I would not have miles per hour on a big speedo to the right. Kilometers would be on the top, and the miles per hour would be on the bottom, or like in the middle. So this is not Canadian model, but came with the Canadian extra specs, blah blah blah, which kind of makes my confusion even worse. No MTS, and I have a core control. But anyway, enough about that. So I don't know, some of you, or all of you, or if any of you know what the hell the deal is, please drop it in the comments below. But enough about that. Today project, as I said, install the MTS, and to get to the place that we gotta install the module, we have to remove all these plastic pieces, glove box, plastic underneath, this panel, side panels. Crap, I gotta remove this part too, and that's where my radio is attached, and that's not good. Oh crap, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, let me start taking this apart. Once again, sorry about the light. I have to do this in the garage because, I mean, you can see the weather outside. That's just pure nastiness. First thing to do, you're gonna take one of these plastic prying tools, shove them in this section here and here. Plastic gonna pop, and then use your hand, slide it through, and pop the rest of them. After you take that, just be careful, don't just rip the plastic off. You're gonna see this little connector. This is for your Lexus lighting thing. Put that on the side. Now you're gonna have this guy, and he's located in here. Unscrew him just with a hand. He's not like a tightly screwed on. So just with your hand you can take that off. Then take this piece off or out, and this is what we're working with. Now you're only gonna need to use 10mm socket for pretty much all the screws located in this compartment. A lot of plastic clips and 10mm screws. So grab 10mm socket and we go from there. Next, take your prying tool, stick it in this section, and pry this piece of plastic out. You cannot take it out till you loosen up this rubber piece. Just kind of slide it just that much, and then pry the plastic out. Just do it gently so you don't break any of the clips. Alright. After that, just with your hands, grab this piece and gently kind of wiggle it out of this section. Sounds terrifying, but trust me guys, GX is awesome. It's like one of those Legos, but I think for this one we gotta take this plastic off first, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So this piece goes out first, and then you'll be able to slide this one out. And he comes with attached with this piece. Hope you can see. Just make sure that your clips are still attached to the plastic piece, so you don't have to chase them later on, but usually it comes off in one piece. And then you gotta take this airbag off, and there is gonna be like a small piece of plastic, which I don't know where it go. Oh, right here. You gotta pull him out. He goes easy. And then we gotta take this airbag. He is a hard to reach bastard. Once we do that, airbag is off. Plastic piece on the bottom, I believe is only held with Phillips screw and a couple clips. I do remember taking all this off because you guys remember where I was installing my radio. So if my memory serves me correctly, this should be easy. And my radio's in the way, of course, and that sucks, but oh crap. Got it out. And then you're gonna have your footrest a little light. Let me just try to figure out how I used to take him out. I don't know if he's... Oh, you just pull them out of this plastic holder thing or whatever the hell it is. Alright, next thing up, it's remove this, it's a 3 bolts. Alright, now works. Alright, just pop them out. 2 more on the bottom. That's a 10mm bolt. Get that out of the way. And there is a one on this side. Let me remove this easier. That's another 10mm. This is held by clips here. And just pull the whole thing. Running out of the real estate, so I don't know how to get to there and for you guys to be able to see it. But what I'm gonna do first, run that tail mitt off. And I guess best way to do it, use like a small ratchet. $10mm bolt off the bracket that holds the module itself. If you can't see it, trust me, it's easy to do. It's a one screw, one bolt actually, and then module just pops with the bracket out. And all I gotta do, disconnect the plug. There you go. So that's the old module. I'm gonna go grab the new one. But this is what it looks like. That's the bolt that you need to screw, and that's the new module. Just plug them in, and in theory this should work. Look at all that mess. So let's test this to see what we got. I just want to see if the screen is gonna show up. Oh! Alright, now we gotta push this button. There you go. Multi-terrain select. Mud, sand, loose rock, mogul, and rock. And then you just select and we are good to go. So everything worked flawlessly. Now we gotta go and put all this shit back together. And this is not bad or complicated project. Only thing is a lot of plastic pieces to be removed, as you can see, and a crap load of screws. But besides that, it's not that bad. Everything that you took off in just a different order, you put back together. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. And a couple little mods coming soon, and then one big ass mod. Hopefully you'll have a time to be with me then. But till then, thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Bye bye.